Good morning. Today we're examining a significant development in the global AI landscape that has the potential to reshape the competitive dynamics of the entire industry. We'll be diving deep into Alibaba's newly launched Tongyi Deep Research AI agent, an open-source powerhouse that's directly challenging OpenAI's dominance in AI research. Executive Summary. On September 18, 2025, Chinese tech giant Alibaba unveiled what may be one of the most strategically important AI releases of the year, the Tongyi Deep Research AI agent. This isn't just another incremental model update. It represents a fundamental challenge to the established order in AI research. What makes this announcement particularly remarkable is that Alibaba is achieving competitive performance, even outperforming OpenAI's flagship deep research tool on some benchmarks, while doing so with dramatically improved efficiency. And perhaps most significantly, they're doing it through an open-source model that's immediately accessible to developers worldwide. The model has already gained significant traction on Hugging Face, where developers are downloading and experimenting with it at a rapid pace. This represents a potential shift in how advanced AI capabilities are distributed and controlled globally. Performance benchmarks. Let's examine the performance data because the numbers tell a compelling story. On the challenging Humanities Last Exam benchmark, Tongyi Deep Research achieved 32.9% accuracy compared to OpenAI's 26.6%, a significant 6.3 percentage point advantage. This benchmark is designed to test broad knowledge and reasoning capabilities, making this result particularly noteworthy. The performance extends to other key benchmarks as well: 43.4% on Browse Comp in English, 46.7% in Chinese, and an impressive 75% on Xbench Deep Search. But here's what's truly remarkable. Tongyi Deep Research is achieving these results with only 30 billion parameters, substantially fewer than what's believed to power competing models from US companies. This efficiency advantage isn't just academic. It translates to real-world benefits in deployment cost, accessibility, and environmental impact. Technical architecture. Now let's look under the hood at what makes this performance possible. Tongyi Deep Research utilizes a mixture of experts architecture, a sophisticated approach that enables both capability and efficiency. The model has approximately 30.5 billion total parameters, but here's the clever part. It activates only 3 to 3.3 billion parameters per token during inference. This architectural choice is brilliant. It means the model maintains the capacity and knowledge of a much larger system while only utilizing a fraction of the computational resources for any given task. It's like having a team of specialists that you only call on the relevant expert for each specific problem. The efficiency focus extends throughout the design philosophy. In an era where AI compute tasks are becoming prohibitive, even for well-funded organizations, this approach makes advanced AI capabilities more accessible and sustainable. Product integration. Beyond the technical achievements, what's particularly impressive is how quickly Alibaba has integrated this technology into real-world products. They've already deployed Tongyi Deep Research in their AMAP application, where it assists users in planning complex multi-day trips through advanced web retrieval capabilities. This isn't a lab experiment. It's solving real problems for millions of users today. They've also integrated it into Tongyi Faru, their legal research tool, where it enhances the capacity to retrieve case law with verified citations. For legal professionals, this capability could significantly streamline research workflows. And, significantly, the model supports 11 major languages and multiple Chinese dialects, reflecting Alibaba's global ambitions and understanding of diverse market needs. Broader AI model releases. The Tongyi Deep Research launch isn't happening in isolation. It's part of a coordinated AI offensive from Alibaba. In just the past 2 weeks, they've also released QN3 Next ADB A3B, which packs 80 billion parameters but activates only 3 billion during inference, again showing their focus on efficiency. They've unveiled QN3 Max Preview, a trillion parameter model that represents their largest to date, showing they haven't abandoned the pursuit of scale where it makes sense. And they launched QN3 ASR Flash on September 8th, an automatic speech recognition model trained on tens of millions of hours of multilingual audio. This rapid-fire release strategy demonstrates both the depth of Alibaba's AI capabilities and their strategic intention to compete across multiple segments of the AI market simultaneously. Industry context and competition. This announcement comes at a pivotal moment in the global AI competition. OpenAI's deep research was the first such agent, launched and integrated into ChatGPT back in February 2025. Google DeepMind has also introduced similar tools. We're seeing the emergence of a new category of AI systems specifically designed for complex web retrieval tasks requiring multiple steps. The timing is also politically significant. This announcement coincided with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman attending a state banquet at Windsor Castle alongside other tech leaders, highlighting the ongoing collaboration between U.S. tech companies and international partners. It also preceded the signing of a US-UK tech prosperity deal worth $42 billion, focused on developing nuclear, AI, and quantum technologies. The alignment of these events underscores how AI development has become intertwined with national strategic interests. Conclusion and implications. So, what does all this mean for the future of AI? First, Alibaba releases challenges the prevailing assumption that leading-edge AI capabilities must be proprietary and locked behind corporate APIs. By open-sourcing a competitive model, they're potentially democratizing access to advanced AI research capabilities. Second, their efficiency focus suggests a different path forward for AI development, one that prioritizes clever architectural choices over simply scaling parameter counts. This could have important implications for the environmental sustainability of AI development. Finally, the emergence of strong open-source alternatives from major Chinese tech companies ensures that AI development will remain a global multipolar effort. We're not heading toward a future where any single company or country dominates AI capabilities. In conclusion, Alibaba's Tongyi deep research represents more than just another AI model. It represents a potential shift in how AI capabilities are developed, distributed, and deployed globally. It's a development that everyone in the AI ecosystem should be watching closely. Thank you. I'm now open for questions.